So hey and welcome back to my second video of the GitHub series. So in this video, we're going to be learn about how to download the Git in our Windows system. Open your browser and simply type git download. Okay, simply git download, and this is the first website, and click on the first website, and after that click on the Windows, and then according to your system requirement, if your system is a 32-bit, so you can download the 32-bit setup, otherwise you can download the 64-bit setup. Okay, simply I already download it, so I pause it. Okay, so after downloaded, you simply run it, double click and run it, and after that next, then select the specific folder, or by default you can leave here, then next, and then next, and again next, simply next, and it will be downloaded easily. Okay, so this is a very basic step to download the Git. After completing process, I will show you everything in the next video. So if you are a new my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and you should press the bell icon for getting a notification of my videos. Okay, so मिलते हैं next video के अंदर. Bye bye.